In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Google Cloud Platform using the console interface. This guide is perfect for those looking to get started with managing resources on Google Cloud, whether you're working on a small development project or setting up an extensive production environment. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to log in to the Google Cloud Console. If you're not already familiar with it, the console is a web-based interface that allows you to access all your Google Cloud services and resources. Once you're logged in, you'll notice an extensive dashboard that houses various tools and services at your fingertips. For creating a new project, focus your attention on the top bar. Here, you'll see the project selector. Go ahead and click on it. From there, you'll either find an option labeled New Project, or alternatively, you can navigate to I am an admin and then Manage Resources, where you'll see a Create Project button. Click on that. Now, you'll be presented with a form that you need to fill out to set up your project. Let's break down what you need to input here. First, it's your project name. This is essentially a human-readable label and can be edited at any time. It's like naming a folder on your computer, making it clear and recognizable. Next on the list is the project ID. This is where you need to pay a little more attention. The project ID must be globally unique and permanent, which means once it's set, you won't be able to change it. It has to be between 6 to 30 characters long, consisting of lowercase letters, numbers, and hyphens. Remember, it needs to start with a letter and can't end with a hyphen. Next, consider your project's location. Here you're specifying a parent organization or folder. If such an organizational structure applies to you, select it accordingly. However, if you don't have an organization to link it to, simply choose No Organization. If you wish, you can also add tags that will help classify your environment, such as prod for production or dev for development. These tags can be very useful as visual indicators within the project picker later on, helping you quickly identify the nature of each project. Once you're satisfied with the information you've entered, go ahead and click Create. The platform will take a moment, but shortly after, your new project will be created and ready for you to use. Lastly, keep in mind that you might need to link a billing account if your project requires paid services. Having a billing account is essential for enabling various features and services in Google Cloud, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully created a new project on the Google Cloud Platform using the console. I hope you found this guide useful and that it helps streamline your experience with Google Cloud.